Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Golf HL 1.0 TSI M6F 115 horsepower 5-door in stunning blue. With only 46,700 kilometers on the clock, this 1-litre petrol engine manual estate is a steal. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, collision avoidance braking, and more, this Golf is perfect for any journey. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders and below-seat storage for added convenience. With ABS, multiple airbags and traction control, your safety is paramount. The chrome package and roof rails add a touch of style and security. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us now or visit mullingarautos.ie for more details.